say not be the game they see, saying they see school red and waiting at the corner.
School red.
As at the time when they hit the hammer for head, as human, he made that statement when he get very high.
As it be say, justice now they don't cry for over excellence, where police identify as person where her baby daddy will be 27-year-old Kelvin being by there be the suspector of say she the waka where the baby daddy use hammer on top of her head. The baby mama we born 2 boys for him. Will I say that the 27-year-old Kelvin excellently cut off her life?
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
All right, when you hear that sound, say, na me, they patrol with my vehicle to find those where they commit crime. And today, on top of 899 patrol for Wetin Dey for the station where Sabi 89.9 Yanga FM with the enter Delta State. As it be say, justice now they don't cry for over excellence, where police identify as person where her baby daddy will be 27-year-old Kelvin being by for allegedly what do they call unfaithful relationship between the both of them, according to the police they talk. They talk say they be the suspector of say she the waka and she get 2 boys for her baby daddy, and unfortunately incident happen where quarrel happen where the baby daddy use hammer on top of her head. Today on top of the program we're going to get the police talk person from Delta State.
I know that matter sadly enough.
Very
that man
sad.
will kill his wife on top say he says they do hooks.
Yeah, not
Very
be wife,
sad.
but in baby mama.
In baby mama, sorry.
Baby mama. Exactly. So today on top of the program, we will get the police talk person SP Bright Edafin will join us for phone to give us details on top of this information and any other thing where you go need to share with us based on preliminary investigation where they don't do so far. My name is Nanajiti Atirene, and I definitely.
You see, no verse, madam. So is this a case of anger management or is it a case of just a violent human being? Is it a case of jealousy?
A lot of things is involved. What thing you just mentioned now, they involved.
Yeah.
Jealousy, anger, drug abuse also involved, because the police they allege say some of the investigation where they don't do so far, they link drug abuse to in action. Okay. They also discover from in confession say intake tramadol. They also smoke loud. So we go know now whether not by the drug influence or now wetin don dey belle before wey con dey enhanced by the drugs wey intake.
We have to look at this drugs matter very very soon. It is becoming alarming.
It's becoming a menace.
It's sad. The average youth when no get work have taken to drugs. The average person going through small stress has taken to drugs. So we have to not forget our waka madam don't come. When we know how far so far. Yeah. Let's go.
All right, you say if you be part of the conversation, all you need to do now send us a message for WhatsApp and text messages will be 09048213013. 09048213013. How you take see this particular matter, Ejiro?
It's actually very sad. It is very sad.
Yeah.
I know there's no reason. I won't hear whether I need better reason, but I know
there can be
no
no
reason for in confession. He said he get do that
kind
no
of
how.
Firstly, not even a married
catch get easy.
The person not be say you marry him.
No marry him.
You know, not legally
baby
married to
mama.
this person. Now baby mama now you talk about so. Meanwhile, the woman a single mother and she be the manager.
They hustle.
So you don't get any reason. So the man is both left, right, hand, leg, hand, everywhere. She is very wrong.
All right.
Totally wrong.
I don't pity the guy at all. You know, from in confession what I listen to, I don't pity him one
I see her now. They form saying they sad. You know they sad at all.
He say he won't even kill himself when he discover say she don't die. All right, so we don't enter inside Delta State Police Command, and the police talk person SP Bright Edafe Inde on telephone with us, you know, to let us know how far then they waka for inside this waka with the case of Kelvin, 27-year-old boy, where and now don't they for inside police custody to answer questions over the baby mama we born 2 boys for him. If to say she dey alive now, maybe she for they manifest her name excellence, you know, excellent mother, excellence in her career, excellence in you know,
everything
in her endeavor, you know. But unfortunately now, Will I say that the 27-year-old Kelvin excellently cut off her life?
I want to talk to our men, especially on this matter. And at the end of the day, I've been a victim as well of stupid anger.
Okay.
Well, at least
how did you manage your anger that did not lead to a violent act?
Because when it started getting to an extent, I quickly cautioned my them. And then secondly, I've learned to just walk away. Just because the more you see the person, the more the anger they brew. So just if somebody upsets you, someone do something where like walk away, take a walk. At times, as I old reach, I go carry on my clothes, they iron them. So I go sweat, I go steam and come out.
Steam the anger away.
It is anger management. And anger management now something in this country where we say most men believe say now man in them kinikon. So at the end of the day, to all our men, ask yourself, is it worth it to take another life? Because now beginning person they know the end.
Another thing
Sadly
about this
enough,
anger management, be say they know waiting you go do.
Now the beginning person they know
vex.
Even if they fight.
So I think it is, if you ask me, now something where be say don't they inbuilt, something where be say you don't they manifest for within your brain, don't they think say this person do me this thing, I go do this person be this. So, then when anger come, you just act on that impulse.
You see, another thing again we're supposed to be say education are key. You get an educated mind, it is free from a lot of things. So we say we they look and less. You see this anger thing, all this sometimes that just lack of education.
He say not be the game they see, saying they see school red and waiting at the color.
School red. He's small. She's small for your eye.
So that one a different conversation. I say not see her as a human being. You see her as waiting.
As at the time when they hit that man for head, you see him as human being.
Oh wow.
He made that statement when he get very high that time. So now why I ask him that question, what do you take on that day? Now when you got it of intake loud and tramadol. So I think while we are looking at the issue of anger, we should always be concerned about the abuse of drug when our youth they go into now.
Now I don't say many crimes don't join body for inside this particular suspect matter. Murder, drug abuse, and fraud, cyber crime. Because at the end of in confession, he say things when they do to make money na yahoo. So talk to us about in prosecution.
Wow.
Well, the investigating officers who had that to what they are investigating now is, but when you look at it, there are times when person don't commit capital offense. What is a capital offense? Offense that requires sentence to death or life imprisonment. So when person don't commit capital offenses, the other ones not too
go get with like that.
Relevant, even though they go ask them to the charges. But what is most important now is say the guy has committed
a capital
offense. And I was we they look into. I know say fortunately the anti-kidnapping unit, they are also our cyber crime unit. So they will still look inside the matter so that we will progress on the matter.
All right, before we let you go, I'd like to hear your advice based on say Delta State Command don't carry this drug abuse as matter way they critical for the state. What will be your advice to young people for Delta State and even in Nigeria as a whole?
Well, if Nigeria go fit do this thing when they say they do for this Saudi Arabia, some of these Asian countries, make drug be very serious crime. The challenge what they get now, because of the money in this business, people are desperate to sell it. And not because they're always desperate to sell it. The quantity, with the kind of restrictions when Nigerian government don't give all these drugs, especially these controlled drugs, the way the people they money for the country, you know, go get to it, but to believe, say, they don't even take them. So we not only they take drugs when it's very dangerous to our health, we can't even they take faith to join. Because how do you explain, say, the other time when DLA visit our command, they said the SDB so they recovered in only 1 year. Full one big hole when they say they never get here, they go even put any SDB to they recover again.
Wow.
and we police we see dey recover. Military sef dey recover, civil defence sef dey recover. So it's a very serious menace wey we need to come together, not just Delta, the entire country. We need to come together, stand our feet on the ground and say we want to fight this menace.
All right.
This poor girl now. The poor girl now don go. 2 children dey there, they are motherless, and if care is not taken,
They'll be fatherless.
Because I don't see how this guy wants to escape death sentence.
I would like to ask you whether if the law taking course, what will happen to those 2 kids? Whether the state governments go take over the children
or relatives.
This is Nigeria.
Nah.
So we must accept the reality that we're in a country called Nigeria. So no, we not expect some of all those things so that we not go overblown our expectation and now get disappointed in the end of the day.
Yeah.
I believe that the children have extended families who will also
want to take care of them.
Take care of them.
All right. Thank you so much, SP Bright Daffy, for joining us on top of the program today. Thank you for your time.
God bless you. Thank you for having me.
All right, my people, you don't hear from the police talk person, SP Bright Daffy from Delta State. We don't tell us how far them go prosecute this guy. And he don't talk about the major capital offense there now, murder case.
Murder was
he
the
don't
case.
use his mouth, confess, audio evidence day. So I don't know how they go take fight up for court. But I see life imprisonment for him.
I see death, because death is, if you can kill a human being, you should be ready to.
Yeah.
And he said something where I believe, say, I don't know whether I can work in this environment due to our culture and tradition. You know, say different area, different cultures and traditions.
Exactly.
For some Asian countries, drug is zero tolerance. For Saudi Arabia, it is zero tolerance. Why is it so difficult here? Because this thing, they kill more people than you can know. This thing, they scatter destiny. They turn people into something else. And I think if it is harder, people go run.
Definitely.
I remember the first set of drug traffickers that were very prominent back in the days, Ogedengbe and 2 people, they were caught with drugs. I think they were executed. Maybe they had a revisit, United Nations, Amnesty International, amongst others. Maybe now them make us okay life imprisonment, but is it enough? Person where they keep person, you can't go put out for hotel. You say na prison.
Okay.
He's supposed to go. God forgive me, I'm not perfect, but we move.
Adriel, your last words.
Well, it don't be say don't be. It will face the wrath.
Yeah.
So anybody be say if you get mind, take do the crime.
You must do the time.
You must do the time.
Take do the time.
See, I want to quickly talk something before we go. A reminder. Don't forget, say, if fight today, if wahala day, if you dey angry, now beginning of your actions you dey know. Nobody know where go end. So avoid stories that touch the heart.
If you can walk away, just walk away. All right, on that note, I carry my patrol van. They carry comot until Monday again. I get for now. They find criminals. Until Monday again, I will bring you more crime to read. But don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. Yanga 899 FM for Instagram, TikTok. If you also watch the full version of 899 Patrol for YouTube, will be Yanga FM Nigeria. Now here now, take end down. I don't move.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.